So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I did something different to my hair, and as you can tell by the title, this is how to Bantu knot your hair on dry, old wash and go. And I must say, this was successful. This has been my first time Bantu knotting my hair. I did it a while back when my hair was shorter, but of course that didn't work. But since this is 2 years of growth, this Bantu knot came out so pretty. Like, I really like it. What I did was film how I did my Bantu knots and then how I took them down and unraveled them. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or if you think you're gonna like it, or if my little Bantu knots hairstyle looks real cute. Go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let me know down below, of course, any other natural hair related videos that you guys want me to do. And that's about it. I will see you in my next one. So since this is an old, like 2-day wash and go, my hair is very dry. So I'm going in with my Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner and just spraying that all over my hair. This will help to detangle out my hair even more. As you guys can see, I'm brushing it out. I forgot what that brush is called, but I am brushing it out, making sure that I detangle my hair as best as I can. Then I'm going to use my comb to help get any kinks or tangles out in my hair. That is very important if you are a natural curly hair like me, or just have curly hair. You want to make sure that you always detangle your hair. That is very important. So I didn't film the part of me parting out my hair, but I did part my hair just any kind of way. I'm not too good at parting my hair, you know, in the diamond shape and all that stuff. That's something I have to work on, but I just parted it. So now I'm applying peppermint oil to my hair, which helps to moisturize hair and scalp and add shine and gloss. Now I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and applying that on the section of my hair. The same products I'm using for every section of my hair, so I will be using the same products throughout this video. Now I'm going in with my Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse, and this will help to get my Bantu knots, when I take them apart, give them that volume and extra moisture and all that stuff. So I did go in with some Eco Styler gel just to add to my hair to help with the hold along with the mousse. So now I'm just gripping my hair. When you do Bantu knots, you want to make sure that from the root you are gripping your hair very tightly and you're twisting it very tightly. So I'm just twisting it around and around and around. And then I'm going to go back in with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie and apply that to the ends of my hair, because your ends can get very dry. And you guys know I say this all the time, that my hair does get dry. So I apply that to the end of my hair, and then I finish twisting my hair around. Then I'm going to go in with some bobby pins and just apply that to that very last part of the twist. You want to make sure that you secure your Bantu knots. I went ahead and I slept with my Bantu knots and took them down the next day, which you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So definitely when you are sleeping, you want to make sure that you secure your Bantu knots with bobby pins for sure. So the same thing that I did with that top section, I am doing it to the side, and I'll be doing that to the rest of my hair. So I'm just twisting, then I start twisting it around. Then I apply the Curl Enhancing Smoothie again to my ends and go back and take a bobby pin and secure that Bantu knot. So this is a repeated process that I will be doing throughout my hair. the last two sections of my hair. So I'm going back in, applying that oil, applying that curl enhancing smoothie, applying the mousse, and applying the gel to my hair, and then just gripping it very tightly and twisting it. I don't think I mentioned, but I had started twisting my hair clockwise, and I think I had forgot which direction that I was twisting it in. I don't remember. But if you do want your Bantu knots to come out the same direction when you unravel them, you do want to make sure that you twist your hair in the same direction as you did from the beginning. So now I will be going back in with my gel and just applying that around my edges and the back of my hair. And then I'm going back in with my leave-in conditioner spray, spraying that all over my hair to make sure I do get that moisture, because I did sleep in these like I had stated. So now I'm going in with my favorite little wrap that you guys see me wearing, and I'm applying that around my edges just to protect my edges at night, and also to help lay my edges down. And then I used a bigger bobby pin to secure the back, because for some reason it did not want to stay. So now it's time to take down the Bantu knot. So I'm removing the scarf, and then I'm going through each Bantu knot and taking out all of the bobby pins that I use to help secure the Bantu knots. And now I'm just starting to unravel each Bantu knot. I did start from the back, and then I just started going whatever way. But I am unraveling each Bantu knot. So now I am just unraveling. I did unravel each Bantu knot, but now I am separating my hair from each section. As you guys can see, you want to make sure that you separate each section. And I also went in with a comb later on to fluff out my hair a little bit. But I am just unraveling those curls to make my hair look more full, and so I can style it for the day. And now I'm just fluffing it out a little bit with my comb, not too much. So now I'm going in with my Ebon edge control, and I'm just applying a little bit to my edges. Just applying that to my edges a little bit in that area, just to lay my edges down, and brushing it in. and fluffing out my hair a little bit more. And then I'm going back in with the leave-in conditioner to add some moisture to my hair and fluffing it out a little bit more. And that is pretty much it. So this is the result of my Bantu knot on dry old wash and go style. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really do like how this turned out. So I will see you guys next time.